So coming to our next question, the next question is from a vector here, two vertices. See again, the purpose of this question is again to like key focus on those type of question where we need to apply vectors in geometry, in geometrical shape, where the question which involves some geometrical shape, tetrahedron, polygon, triangle, whatever it is. Okay, so two vertices of a triangle are given. Vertex, let's say A, so it's minus I cap plus 3j cap. Vertex B, which is 2I cap plus 5j cap, and vertex C, which we need to find position vector of its third vertex. Let's say this is C, vector C. Okay, and the ortho center is given, which is H. I am representing our ortho center of this triangle by H here. So H, which is whose position vector is I cap plus 2j cap. See, whenever a point is given in terms of a vector, what does that mean? That simply means we are given its position vector. So what are we actually given here is we are given OA vector. Position vector we always write with respect to the origin, so it's minus I cap plus 3j cap. Vector OB is 2I cap plus 5j cap, and vector OH, which is I cap plus 2j cap. We have to find vector OC, which I said is vector C here. Okay, so see, what I did simply here without thinking anything else, we know that AH will be perpendicular, so it doesn't look to be perpendicular, but let's assume it is perpendicular. So we know since H is orthocenter, so the line joining a vertex of the triangle with the orthocenter will be perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, acha, one more thing. Since these three vertices are on xy plane, okay, they are linear combination of I cap j cap, so that simply means that our vector, the third position, the third point, the third vertex will also be on the same plane. Isn't that? All of you, I think, will agree to it. Okay, triangle is a planar figure. So if any 3 point of triangle lie on a plane, all the other points of the triangle related to the triangle will also lie on that plane only, bachcho. Okay, so I assumed vector C as xi cap plus yj cap. Now it's simple. See, AH vector. So if I write AH vector, so what is it? So position vector of H minus position vector of IA, which is 2I cap, and then it is 2j, so minus j cap. Now if I write BC vector, so it's I cap, so BC vector is xi cap plus yj cap minus vector position vector of B, which is 2I cap minus 5j cap. Okay, so since AH vector is perpendicular to BC vector, doesn't that mean their dot product should be 0, bachcho? Of course, the dot product will be 0. So if I take its dot product, so xi cap plus yj cap minus 2I cap plus 5j cap, dot product with 2I cap minus j cap, and that's 0. So that will give us a relation. So what is it? 2 minus y, 2x, of course, 2x minus y minus 4 and then plus 5 equal to 0. So 1 is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So that's one relation. Okay. Similarly, I can say, or I can write that BH vector will be perpendicular to AC vector. So if I write our BH vector here, so again position vector of H, which is I cap plus 2j cap, I cap plus 2j cap minus position vector of B, bachcho, which is 2I cap plus 5j cap, 2I cap plus 5j cap. So how much is it? So it's minus I cap and then minus 3j cap. Isn't that fine? Now AC vector. So vector AC is position vector of C, which is xi cap plus yj cap minus vector A, position vector of A is minus I cap plus 3j cap. Okay, so now since again BH is perpendicular to AC, therefore their dot product, so xi cap plus yj cap minus, let it be like this only, plus 3j cap, its dot product, bachcho, with minus I cap minus 3j cap is 0. So let's simplify. So it's minus x minus 3y, and how much is it? So minus 1, and then minus again there are two minus, so plus 9 equal to 0. So minus x minus 3y or plus x plus 3y is equal to 8. That's and the relation. So x plus 3y is equal to 8. So shall I write solve here? X plus 3y is equal to 8 and 2x minus y. So if I multiply by 2 here itself, just a minute bachcho. Okay. So if we do it, so 2x plus 6y is equal to 16 and this is 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. Subtract. So it's 7y is equal to 17. You have y which is 17 by 7 and similarly then we can get x here. So 17 by 7 how much is it bachcho? 2x is equal to I think 5 by 7 hai na? So it's 5 by 7. Just check it out. So it will be minus 17 by 7, that side minus 10 by 7, 5 by 7, right? So that's it. So vector C is 5 by 7 I cap plus 17 by 7 j cap. So okay, so that was a simple question based on the how to apply the vector, the position vector for some geometrical figure on a plane, or maybe in space also will follow the same procedure if this would have been in space also bachcho.